Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to sign up Trust Wallet, right? So basically Trust Wallet have this website as well as the mobile application. So we will try to do with this website here, and if you just go here it will ask you to download mobile application or download extension. So if you want to use it over your laptop or PC, click on download extension, or if you want to use it over your smartphone, click on download mobile app, right? So let's say here we will choose the extension for our Chrome browser, and here you will get this option of to add to wallet. Then just click on add extension here, right? By the way, in the case if you want to go for a mobile phone, it's really easy. You have to just download through the Android Play Store or iOS App Store, right? Our extension has been added and you will be automatically redirect to here, which is welcome to Trust Wallet extension, create a new wallet. So we'll just click on create a new wallet here. They will ask you to confirm a password. So we'll just create a password here. Same way, we have to confirm it here. So type it once again. And once everything is done, click on I have read and agree to the terms of service. If you're doing it on your smartphone, you have to follow the same steps here, right? So on there, you have to select the new wallet and create a new password. Now here, as you can see here, improve trust wallet. So basically you can share data here. So I will like to share my data. If you don't want to share, you can just click on no. Then here trust wallet set as a default wallet. So I don't want to set as this, you might default wallet here. Now once everything is done, I will just click on open wallet. So this is, and right now we are into our trust wallet here, and we can just do each and everything just like how we do it over our mobile application. So I hope that you got this answer, that how to sign up for the trust wallet account. If you found this video very useful, subscribe.